Hey there, and welcome to Canva Quick Tips. In just 1 minute, I'll show you how to save your Canva design as a PDF. Super fast and easy. Let's dive right in. All right, once your design is ready, like this recipe ebook I'm using as an example, here's what you do. First, click on Share in the top right corner. Then hit Download. Under File Type, you'll see 2 PDF options. PDF Standard, great for emails and web use. PDF Print, best for high-quality prints. For this ebook, we'll go with PDF Print for that crisp, professional look. Next, select all pages or just the ones you need. Under Color Profile, choose CMYK instead of RGB. This ensures the best print quality. Now hit Download and wait a few seconds and your high-quality PDF is ready. Let's open it up. Look at that sharp text and vibrant colors. Just perfect. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a quick Canva tip.